Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, just open Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then select this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on your photos that you wish to add right away, or select Folders section at the top. Over here, hold one of your photos and then tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my picture was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!